In the developed world, average life expectancy is increasing. What problems will this cause for individuals and society? Suggest some measures that could be taken to reduce the impact of aging populations. Introduction to the essay. Many developed countries are experiencing substantial increases in life expectancy. This essay will highlight some of the main problems of this and suggest several possible approaches to reduce the adverse effects resulting from an aging population. Healthcare system burden. One of the major challenges of the growing population of elderly people is that it puts a heavy burden on the healthcare system. Older people are more vulnerable to chronic diseases such as heart attacks or diabetes that require special medical treatments to be effectively treated. The government might have to devote a larger budget to healthcare in order to serve the growing demands of an aging population. Economic impact. Pensions and tax revenue. Another problem facing a country with increasing life expectancy is that there will be an increase in the proportion of retired people claiming pension benefits and a decline in the percentage of people of working age who pay income taxes. The combination of higher pension spending and lower tax revenues can seriously affect government spending and the economy as a whole. Key problem summary. Healthcare demands. Chronic diseases requiring expensive medical treatments and larger government budgets. Pension burden. Increased retired population claiming benefits whilst working-age population declines. Economic strain. Higher spending and lower tax revenues affecting overall government finances. Solution 1. Private sector involvement. The government could implement a range of measures to deal with the problems of increasing life expectancy. The first solution would be to increase the importance of the private sector in providing health care and pensions. This would help to reduce the burden on government spending. Another measure would be to encourage the immigration of young working adults, which could help increase tax revenues for the government. Finally, it is important to educate people about the importance of money management and saving for retirement. By doing this, when people reach their retirement age, they will have a certain amount of money to take care of themselves without the need to depend on their children or the government. Solutions overview. Increase private sector role. Reduce government burden on healthcare and pensions through private provision. Encourage young immigration. Boost tax revenues by attracting working-age adults from other countries. Promote financial education and retirement planning. Enable individuals to save for retirement and reduce dependency on government support. Conclusion. In conclusion, various steps could be taken to tackle the problems that a country with an aging population might encounter. The challenges posed by increasing life expectancy, including healthcare system burden, pension obligations, and declining tax revenues, require comprehensive solutions. By implementing a combination of private sector involvement, encouraging immigration of young working adults, and promoting financial education and retirement planning, governments can effectively reduce the adverse effects of aging populations. These measures work together to distribute the burden across multiple stakeholders and encourage individual responsibility, ultimately creating a more sustainable approach to managing demographic change in developed nations.